Hello everyone, it's Miss Jackie and we're in our final week of our summer reading program, and this is our final craft project. This is week 8. So we have some crafts left, and but this is our final one. So with that, I guess we'll get started. So with this, we will get your craft instructions, and there's only 2 things in here. You'll get your rocket and you'll get your straw. So first thing you'll do, you're going to color your rocket. You're going to be careful not to pop your straw off the back, and then you will have your straw. So after you get done coloring, it's very simple. You are going to unwrap your straw like so, and then you are going to insert it into the back straw like this. And then you're going to, like that. So we all hope you enjoyed making these Take and Make crafts this summer. And for your final code, it is Blast Off. So BLAST space OFF. So I hope you enjoyed our summer reading program, and we'll see you next time, and enjoy. Bye everyone.